All right, y'all. So I'm about to wash my hair, do a curly hair routine. Um, Pretty much a wash and go. I only use two products when I wash my hair. I only use co-wash and deep conditioner. I don't like to use shampoos. I know that probably sound bad, but the shampoos to me it dries my hair out from the suds. So I rather use a co-wash because it's like a mixture. So I'm like washing and getting moisture all at once, and then I like to use my deep conditioner to when I rinse it out. So that's enough talking. Let's get to the video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new, my name is DQ. Welcome. This is going to be a quick wash and go video. I'm not going to show you the whole process, but I am going to show you me washing my hair and what products I use. And I'm going to show you guys the before and after. I do use Scala for a conditioner, a deep condition, shampoo, and a co-wash. I love this brand because it really works for my hair. I've used tons of other hair care products and they never work for my hair. I've seen this one, Scala, on TikTok. I came across a video of somebody using it for their curls and I seen how it brought out their curl definition and how made their hair look like shiny and healthy. And I decided to use it. And once I used it, I was like blown away with the results. And I've been using it ever since. I don't use anything else but Scala. I also like to pair it with the Garnier coconut oil conditioner to make my hair extra soft and smell good. So what I like to do before I actually wash my hair is apply a little bit of Scala as a detangler so it'll be easier for when I detangle my hair. And as you should always do, start with the tips, then work your way to the roots. That way you'll have a better chance at detangling your hair instead of forcing a detangle and pulling all your hair out. I've had 2-strand twist in for about 3 weeks and that's all the dead hair that came up. I'm using lukewarm water to rinse my hair out with. You always want to use lukewarm water when rinsing your hair out. You don't want the water to be too hot or be too cold because if the water is hot, it's going to dry your hair out and your hair is going to feel brittle. And if you use cold water, then you are closing your cuticles and closing your pores and the moisture is not going to get in to the shaft. So use lukewarm water. This is the second application. Now I'm going to actually scrub my scalp to make sure my scalp is nice and clean. Cleansing my hair from any dirt, any dandruff, or any hair products that may still be on my scalp. Hey, waste not, want not. I'm getting my money's worth. Just like that last little bit of toothpaste that's still be in a tube. Yep. Yes, sir. We ain't letting nothing go to waste. And also, if you didn't know, use your fingertips to scrub your scalp. Do not use your nails or you're going to damage your scalp. Well, it's not going to be damaged, but your scalp could be sore. I'm not gonna lie, my hair is really curly and it get tangled so easy. Like I'll be picking my hair out or combing it out and I let it sit for a minute. I'll start to comb my hair out again and it be like as if I never combed it out. Like bro, like what's really going on? That's why you gotta keep your ends clipped. That's probably what it is for real. You gotta get your ends clipped every 3 to 6 months. Cause if you don't, your ends gonna get real bad and it's gonna be like real dry and brittle. And when you try to comb your hair out, it's gonna sound like you chewing on an apple and the ends of your hair is gonna keep going up the shaft and splitting. And that's what makes your hair thin. So you gotta keep them ends clipped every 3 to 6 months. I notice a lot of people focus more on their hair type versus their hair porosity. I'm gonna make another video and go more into depth about it because I feel like people need to know their hair porosity versus their hair type. And once people learn about their hair porosity, they'll be able to take care of their hair better and keep the hair healthy. Man, y'all see when I added that conditioner, you can see how much smoother my hair looked when I combed through it. Now let's wrap this head up. No pun intended. So this is all the hair that came out. I honestly thought it was gonna be more, but hey, I ain't mad at it. The less hair, the better. Let me go ahead and show y'all that I cleaned the sink out after I got done washing my hair. For some reason, people think it's a crime because you wash your hair in your kitchen sink. I don't know why, but here you go. Bruh, I don't know why I uploaded this clip, but this is the before and after. Like I said earlier in the video, if you want me to drop a full tutorial on my curly hair routine, leave a comment below. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one.